Mold growth in portable air conditioning units is a serious and common problem that affects millions of households. Understanding why this happens and how to address it is crucial for your health and safety. Portable AC units create the perfect environment for mold growth. They generate moisture as they cool air, have dark interior spaces with poor airflow, and dust accumulation provides organic material for mold to feed on. This problem has gained recent attention. In June 2025, Midea recalled approximately 1.7 million window air conditioners due to a design flaw that causes water to pool, leading directly to mold growth. Mold exposure from contaminated air conditioners poses serious health risks. These include respiratory problems, allergic reactions, and asthma attacks, especially dangerous for children, elderly, and those with compromised immune systems. Before starting any cleaning, safety is paramount. Always turn off and unplug the unit to prevent electrical shock. Wear a protective mask and gloves to avoid inhaling mold spores. And gather all necessary cleaning supplies. Carefully disassemble the unit following the manufacturer's instructions. Remove the front panel first. Then take out the air filters to access the interior components that need cleaning. Start by vacuuming the filter to remove loose dust and debris. If the filter is washable, soak it in warm water with mild detergent, then gently scrub away visible mold. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry completely. If the filter is heavily infested with mold, it's safer to replace it entirely. For interior components like condenser and evaporator coils, use a vacuum with brush attachment to remove dust and debris. For stubborn grime, use a soft brush with mild detergent solution. Always avoid soaking electrical components and wipe surfaces with a damp cloth only. Remember, this initial cleaning addresses the visible mold and prepares your unit for the disinfection process that follows. Proper identification and initial cleaning are crucial first steps in restoring your portable AC to safe, healthy operation. After cleaning your portable AC unit, the next critical step is proper disinfection to eliminate any remaining mold spores and prevent regrowth. For bleach solutions, proper dilution is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Use 1 part bleach to 10 parts water for standard household bleach. Apply your chosen disinfectant solution to all clean surfaces, paying special attention to areas where mold was visible. Let the solution sit for 10 to 30 minutes to ensure complete mold elimination. Don't forget the water collection tank and exhaust hose. Clean the water tank with warm water and mild detergent or vinegar solution, ensuring it's completely dry before reassembly. Prevention is key to avoiding future mold growth. Clean your filters every 2 to 4 weeks during use and perform a complete unit cleaning twice per year, at the beginning and end of each season. Before storing your portable AC unit, run it in fan-only mode for 30 minutes to dry excess moisture. Store the unit in a cool, dry place and cover it to protect from dust accumulation.